Your password is the first line of defense in protecting your online information. But what happens if that password is stolen? Most websites now provide a secondary defense layer for your online account. Two-factor authentication, otherwise known as multi-factor authentication or two-step verification, introduces a second security layer after your password in order to increase the security of your account. There are a few ways that 2FA could work. Once you've entered your username and password, you can either use an authenticator app on your smartphone to generate a security code, or you can have one sent to you via text or email. Once you've entered this code, you'll then be given access to your account. Enabling 2FA can be a different process for each account, but you will find the option in settings and usually under either security, login or privacy. You can easily find information online on how to enable this for specific websites. Just remember, 2FA is free to use and you should never be asked to pay to set this up. 2FA is an important step in significantly increasing your online account security, so do it today.